Today's Ignited Ink Writing quick tip is on italics. There are many reasons you can use italics in your writing. Two key ones are if you have a character who is thinking while having a conversation, it's confusing if you put their thoughts and their dialogue in quotation marks. So put their thoughts in italics to differentiate the two. The second time is if you are using words from a foreign language, those words need to be in italics, so your reader knows that those are definitely from a foreign language. To learn more about using italics in your writing, check out my YouTube video, How to Use Italics in Creative Writing, Thoughts, Readability, and more. I'm Caitlin Burvey, editor and writer. Good luck igniting your ink.